Welcome to my complete Java course. This video lecture is a continuation of my previous video lecture. This is the continuation of operators in Java. In the previous video lecture, we have learned the unary operator in Java. So we learned the theoretical as well as practically the use of unary operator and what is the exceptions case of using unary operator. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn arithmetic operators. So let's start. So Java arithmetic operator. The arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division and module operator. If we are applying arithmetic operator between two variables a and b, result type is always maximum of int, then type of a variable and type of b variable. We understand this formula with the help of example. Suppose if you want to add two byte variable, then the result will not be byte, result will be integer type, because if you put this in the next formula, then int and type of a variable is byte and type of b variable is byte. So the maximum byte of these three operand is int. So the result will be int type. In the same way, if you are adding byte and short type, then also the result will be int type. And if you are trying to add int and long type, then the result will be long. Why? Because int and first variable is int type and second variable is long type. So if you compare int, int and long, so long is the maximum type, so the result will be long type. So and if you add long and float type, then the result will be float type. If you add double and character type, then the output will be double type. If you add character and character, then also result will be int type. Okay, now what is the infinity? What is the infinity? In the case of integral arithmetic like int, short, byte and long, there is no way to represent infinity. Hence, if infinity is the result, we will always get arithmetic exception. Suppose if we divide 10 by 0, then we will get the runtime exception. Let's understand with the example. Okay, suppose if you want to print here 10 divided by 0. Okay, now if you run this, look it, you will get, sorry, first we define PUB as public static void. Okay. Now you will get arithmetic exception, right? Okay, but infinity. In the case of floating point, means if you have a float number or double number, there is a way to represent infinity. Hence, if infinity for this float and double classes contains the following two constants. So in the float and double wrapper classes, there is two constants. First is positive infinity, its value is infinity, and negative infinity, its value is minus infinity. Suppose if you divided a float value or double value with the 0, then you will not get the arithmetic exception. You will get either in plus infinity or minus infinity. Let's see with the practical. Okay, suppose if you divide, then what do you think? What will be the output? Yes, you will get the infinity. At this time you will not get the arithmetic exception. And if you divide minus 10.0 with 0, then you will get minus infinity. Okay, you can see here you will get the minus infinity. Okay, let's go for the next point. Not a number. NaN is not a number. In the case of integral arithmetic like int, short, byte and long, there is no way to represent undefined result. If the result is undefined, we will always get arithmetic exception. Suppose if we divide 0 divide by 0, then at the runtime we will get arithmetic exception. Okay. Suppose if you are trying to divide 0 by 0, you will get arithmetic exception. But in the case of not a number, in the case of floating point means float or double, there is a way to represent undefined result. For this, float and double classes contain the following not a number constant. So if you divide 0.0 with 0, you will get not a number. You will not get the runtime exception, which is arithmetic exception. Okay, if you divide 0.0, you will get not a number. In this time, you will not get the arithmetic exception. Okay, now move for the next point. So this was the arithmetic operators. In the next video, we'll learn the string concatenation operator. So thank you for watching this video lecture. And the next video lecture, we'll learn string concatenation operator. Okay, before the ending this video lecture, just discuss with these points with practically. If we add byte and byte, then the result will be int. Let's see how. Okay, suppose here we define byte b1 equal to 20, byte b2 equal to 30, and byte b3 equal to b1 plus b2. What do you think? What will be the output? No, you will get the error. Let's see it. Unresolved compilation problem. Type mismatch cannot convert from int to byte because the result of this b1 plus b2 will be int. If you typecast here in byte, now you can get the result. Or if you don't want to the typecast, in this case you can take it as a int. Also then you will get the output. So this is the solution. So in any of these arithmetic operation, you should remember what is the data type of the result variable. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. If you have any query regarding this concept, you can comment me. I will explain more. Okay, so thank you for watching this video lecture. And the next video lecture we will learn the next operator which is string concatenation operator.